Good morning everyone. Now we are going to see about lesson 2, term 3, continuity, mineral resources, subject social science, standard 3. In last class we learned about list the minerals found in Tamil Nadu, describe the uses of minerals. In this part we learn about natural resources, remaining minerals in potash and zinc. The another most useful mineral is potash. 95% of potash is used for making fertilizers. If the soil does not have enough potassium, potash fertilizers are used to improve the quality of soil. The remaining 5% potash is used in commercial and industrial products such as soap. Next we learn about zinc. Zinc is called the essential trace element because very small amount of zinc is necessary for human health. Our body does not store excess zinc. It must be consumed regularly as part of the diet. Common food sources of zinc include red meat, white meat and seafood. What are the other uses of zinc? Zinc oxide is widely used in the manufacture of many products such as paints, rubbers, cosmetics, medicines, inks, batteries, textiles and electrical equipments. Now we learn about natural resources. What are the natural resources? Natural resources are things in nature. We need them every day. We need air to breathe. We need water to drink. We need plants to eat. We need soil to grow plants. Some natural resources are the sunlight, air and water, soil and rock, plants and animals, coal and oil. Natural resources are found all over the world. Some are found under the earth's surface. Natural resources can be divided into two. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, some of the natural resources can never get exhausted or completed finish, such as sunlight, air, water and soil. These are called renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, some natural resources like coal, petroleum, minerals and forests are very limited and would be exhausted soon. Because of overuse, these resources cannot be reproduced easily. They are called non-renewable resources. How do we use these natural resources? Sunlight as natural resources. The energy obtained from the sun is called solar energy. The sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living things on the earth. Plants utilize the solar energy and the storage in the form of food during the process of photosynthesis. Air as a natural resource. Air is an important inexhaustible natural resources, essential for the survival of man. Air is important for the growth of plants and animals. Next we see about water as a natural resource. Water is absolutely necessary for living. Water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning and many other household activities. Next one, soil as a natural resource. Soil is a base on which all plants grow. It provides minerals, water and air to the plants. Soil is a storehouse of minerals like saltpeter, rock salt, gypsum, bauxite, hematite, calcite, etc. Next one, forest resources. Forest is an important natural resource. It is the most important natural habitat for wildlife. Forests provide timber and furniture. As we have seen, all natural resources are very important because these satisfy basic necessities such as food, clothing, and shelter for human beings. Are you clear, student? We have come to the end of this lesson. We will meet in the next class.